Blackout Bingo does not publish a guaranteed customer support response time, so there is no official number of hours you can rely on for a reply in 2026. The current Blackout Bingo app directs support issues to skills, including payment and account-related problems. App Store 1. By the end you'll know who handles your issue, what response times users have actually reported, and what information to include if your ticket is taking too long. The first thing to understand is that Blackout Bingo and Skills handle different parts of the service. Blackout Bingo is developed by Big Run Studios, while Skills handles the real money side of the games. Big Run Studios specifically tells players with payment or withdrawal problems to contact Skills at support@skills.com. Mail to support@skills.com. A Big Run Studios, what to? Nation, for normal game questions, the app also provides access to player support. The App Store listing currently directs users to Skills support for help. App Store 1. So, how long should you expect to wait? There isn't an official 24-hour, 48-hour, or 72-hour guarantee published for Blackout Bingo support. That means you shouldn't treat a specific response window as guaranteed. User reports show that response times can vary. One App Store review says support responded quickly to a game problem, while another recent review describes going several days without a resolution after multiple support contacts. App Store 3. That difference matters because a simple question and a payment dispute may require completely different handling. If your issue involves a failed match, missing winnings, a withdrawal, or an incorrect charge, include the relevant match information, transaction details, screenshots, and a clear description of what happened. Don't send multiple tickets for the same problem unless support tells you to, because keeping everything under one case makes the history easier to follow. For payment or withdrawal problems specifically, contact Skills rather than expecting Big Run Studios to access your Skills account information. Big Run Studios says it does not have access to that payment information. Big Run Studios, what to done? The practical takeaway is simple. Blackout Bingo doesn't currently give players a fixed customer support response time, and real user experiences range from quick replies to cases lasting several days. App Store 3Q. Before contacting support, collect your screenshots, match details, and transaction information in one place. That gives the support team the information needed to investigate the issue. If this helped you understand Blackout Bingo support in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app guides.